You are now ready to replace the background with the video of a sea turtle and blend it with the overall shot. In the Project panel, select the seaturtle.mov file and drag it to the Timeline panel, placing it below the tabletvideo.mov layer. Choose Fit up to 100% from the magnification ratio pop-up menu at the bottom of the Composition panel so that you can see the whole composition. Select the Selection tool, and then drag the seaturtle.mov layer in the Composition panel slightly to the left, centering it on the tablet screen. In the Timeline panel, drag the seaturtle.mov layer to the right so that it begins at 207 and ends at the same time as the tabletvideo.mov layer.